Okay, the last week on Tuesday we did an experiment during science class with Mauricio's and Pablo Barriga's teacher. We went to the laboratory and we isolate DNA. Well, we used some techniques and some substance to isolate the DNA, and finally we obtained DNA and we could see the DNA, its structure and its color. So now we are going to show the steps and the processes that we use to obtain that.
At the beginning of the process we take 2 milliliters of pulp blood, we take it in an assay tube. After that we add 8 milliliters of a substance called DE, that is a salt solution to clean the cells between red cells and white cells.
After that, we give the mixture with it to Mauricio, the biochemical teacher, and he centrifugated the machine by 10 minutes to 4000 RPMs. What he did is to separate the white blood cells to red blood cells, because when you centrifugate at that speed, the gravity and the density becomes really high. The gravity becomes 4000 times more, so the white cells go down and the red blood cells go up. After we shake it in the shaking machine, that makes the tube vibrate. We observe it. We see that was foaming clear. We was not like transcendent. So we shake it again for 40 seconds in the shaking machine to see the results and what happened.
Well, after we shake the fluid substance again in the machine for 40 seconds, we obtain another appearance from the substance. The substance turned to be a clearly and a foamy substance. Well, after we obtain the foamy and clear substance, we shake that substance in the shaking machine, and we obtain the same substance, just change that it was more clearly and foamier than the last one, foamy and clear substance.
After obtaining that clear and foamy substance, Mauricio adds sodium chloride to the substance, that is the famous salt kitchen, and after that it was centrifugated at 4000 RPM for 15 minutes.
Well, after that, we take the super narrant, or in Spanish sobrenadante, and the teacher Mauricio add to the supernadan, or in Spanish sobrenadante, he add ethanol, and finally he give us the liquid with the ethanol already applied, and we shake it, and finally we wait like 1 minute and we obtain the DNA. So we could see that the DNA is like a very strange structure, and its color is white.